and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever just need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel. Mel, are you ready for today's activity?
I am so ready.
Excellent. Now, before we begin,
we need to
always ask for permission.
Right.
Especially with this activity, you're going to want some adult supervision as well, because we're going to need to use a lighter. For this activity, obviously, you're going to need a lighter. I have a very skinny, tall glass vase with some water in it, and we put blue food coloring in this water just so that we can see it easily.
Okay.
The other thing that we're going to need is a candle and a shallow tray, just like this.
Just like this.
So what I did was I lit the candle and I let a little bit of wax drip into the bottom of the tray.
I see it right there.
And I blew the candle out, and then very quickly before the wax dried, I stuck the candle on the wax. And all that does is help the candle stand upright for this activity.
Okay.
So, Mel, I'm going to go ahead and ask you to hold on to the lighter.
Okay.
And I'm going to take our blue water here. And I've got a paper towel handy just in case.
Okay.
And I'm going to fill the bottom of this tray with all this blue water. Now, you can use almost any size tray. You want anywhere between 1/2 inch to 1 inch of water on the bottom of your tray.
Okay.
Okay? So, hold on to this vase because we're going to use it again in a second. Now, Mel, you've got the lighter. If you can take the lighter and go ahead and light our candle. Okay?
Okay.
And we're going to let that flame take. And now I'm going to take our vase, I'm going to turn it upside down, and I'm going to put it over the candle so that the lip of the vase is in the water. Now watch what's happening to the water here.
It's rising.
It is rising.
It's going up.
And look at what happened to our flame.
What happened to our flame?
Our flame went out, and look, it's still
gone.
rising just a little bit. So, Mel, why do you think this activity works?
Well, something to do with the oxygen.
Definitely.
Right?
So with fire, I know that we need oxygen.
Right.
And we need fuel.
Right.
And we need heat.
Yep.
And so when I put the glass over the candle and it goes down into the water, where the mouth of glass goes down into the water, there's only a finite amount of oxygen in here.
Oh.
And so I think that's why the candle went out.
Because there was no oxygen.
Because there's no oxygen. But why would the water rise?
Suction?
There's got to be some kind of suction for it to rise,
sucking
right?
it up or something? I don't know.
It's got to. Anyway, guys, that's what we think. If you like this activity, please give it a thumbs up. If you have some ideas on how this activity works, please leave your comments below for us. And if you want to do this activity, please remember, ask for adult supervision, especially because you do need a candle and a lighter. You can find this activity and so much more at midnightscienceclub.com. And we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.